a waterfall in Koh Chang, and I forget the name of the waterfall. What's the name of the waterfall? Khlong Plu Waterfall. I'm probably not saying that right. We've just got it. It's not too far from where we're staying. A 10-15 minute motorbike ride. And it's 200 baht to get in for Phang, foreigners. And how much for you? 40 baht for Thai. So yeah, you do normally have to pay everywhere in Thailand for national park. It's a national park fee, which I don't mind, to be honest. So yeah, well, here we are.
You're here because of your...
Oh, here we are. Here we are at the waterfall, without any water.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was surprised because I'm always taking this with my snake.
Yeah.
Because yeah, and I saw what.
So I'm not actually sure whether this is the end of the waterfall because there's a path down here. So I'm going to check it out. Let's try and have a look. See what's down here. Gift doesn't like walking. Well, Gift thinks this is the end. I'm going to have a little look because it looks like people have walked up here. So, hard to tell really. I mean, maybe there's water coming down here normally. I don't know. I'm really not sure I'm on the pathway now, but let's take a look anyway. Yeah, it doesn't look like this is an actual path, but well, there are people over there, so I think I'll wait for them to come down and ask them what's up there, whether it's worth the trip. Because there's a distinct lack of water, so it might not be worth the walk, to be honest, but it's a beautiful, beautiful place. Very quiet. So we are continuing, because the chap down there just told us the waterfall is actually a bit further up. So we're going to carry on, but one of the guys there just slipped. I thought he'd done his ankle in, so we're both in flip-flops, so we need to be pretty careful really. Should have brought our other shoes. Always best to have proper shoes when you're going to do these waterfalls really, because the ground can be quite tricky. Not too bad at the moment, but they were coming back through down by the rocks. I think he slipped on one of the rocks. But let's keep going. Let's see what this waterfall's like. Here we are in the beautiful Khlong Plu Waterfall. So it's got water, so that's good. So these fish are just nibbling at my feet. This is a very weird sensation. Time to go for a little swim in the waterfall. Waterfall dip done. So it looks like we're just coming to the end of the trail now, back to where we began.